Hello kids, let's learn some colors. The reading writing ABCD A to Z, okay? Sky blue color, violet color, orange color, black color, light green color, brown color, white color, pink color, light pink color, green color, yellow color, pink color, red color, sea green color. A, orange color. A for apple, A for apple. B, green color. B for ball, B for ball. C, violet color. C for cat, C for cat. D, blue color. D for dog, D for dog. E, brown color. E for elephant, E for elephant. F, pink color. F for fish, F for fish. G, sea green color. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for king, K for king. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for pen, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for radish, R for radish. S for sunrise, S for sunrise. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetable, V for vegetable. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra.